Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we practice some important bits regarding the lesson A Lesson for All from the Andhra Pradesh 6th class English content. Who was the author of children's books? Answer Sheldon Allan. People living in cities damage the surrounding places for their comfort in their residence. Choose the synonym of the underlined word. Answer dwelling. Choose the wrongly spelt word. Answer Garbege. According to the lesson, A Lesson for All, the city street was filled with dash. Answer rubish. They carelessly throw the waste everywhere. Choose the synonym of the underlined word. Answer hastily, negligently, and recklessly. Choose the wrongly spelt word. Answer Recicling. This word was spelled wrongly. According to the lesson, A Lesson for All, the newspaper boy and the milkman came on dash. Answer on foot. If you all agree to sort out the litter, choose the parts of speech of underlined word litter. Answer noun. According to the lesson, A Lesson for all the rubbish was spread on the roads dash. Answer by the animals. The forest is our dwelling place. Choose the meaning of the underlined word dwelling. Answer living place. The animals faced many difficulties in the forest because dash. Answer because humans threw garbage in the forest. If you all agree to sort out the litter, choose the opposite of underlined word agree. Answer disagree. According to the lesson, a lesson for all, what did they see on the road? Answer litter and garbage. If you all agree to sort out the litter, I will arrange for it to be collected separately. Choose the opposite of underlined word collected. Answer distributed. According to the lesson, a lesson for all, what was the Swati's profession? Answer doctor. We have spoiled our surroundings. It is unfortunately true. Choose the opposite of underlined word unfortunately. Answer fortunately. Who spoiled the trees? Answer human beings. Choose the wrongly spelt word. Answer confes. CONFES. This word was spelled wrongly. Where did the animals live? Answer in the forest. The Little Boy and the Old Man poem written by Dash. Answer Sheldon Allan. Who was the famous for his poems and the theatre practices? Answer Sheldon Allan. We have spoiled our surroundings. Choose the opposite of underlined word spoiled. Answer unspoiled. Sheldon Allan was an dash. Answer American poet. Choose the wrongly spelt word. Answer rubish. This word was given wrongly. Sheldon Allan was a dash. Answer singer, cartoonist, American poet. If you all agree to sort out the litter, choose the meaning of underlined word litter. Answer waste. Choose the wrongly spelt word. Answer unbelibable. This word was given wrongly. They carelessly throw the waste everywhere. Choose the synonym of the underlined word waste. Answer garbage. A letter written by Srinu to his friend Swapna. Identify the what type letter written. Answer informal letter. People living in cities damage the surrounding places. Choose the synonym of the underlined word damage. Answer spoil. Thank you for watching our videos. To get a notification of our further videos, make sure to subscribe our channel.